Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a cook with me video, so I'm not sure with the angles and don't know, but it's a cook with me video. I'm cooking my favorite rice and eating fish. Love it, love it, love it so much. So yeah, cooking this rice. I don't know what it's called. Wait, I'm cooking this rice. I don't know what it's called, guys, but I think it's basmati rice or something. You put onions and then you are making something like a fried rice or something like that. I can say, but you will see. So yeah, you will see, man. It's really nice, eh? Really nice. So this is the pot. These are the onions, ne? So we have load shedding, but if we had electricity, I was going to boil water with the kettle. So since we do not have electricity, I'm just going to fry these onions and then put some water, and then when the water is boiling, I put the rice inside, and then you will see. One day I must tell you everything that I do, guys. Yeah, sometimes I forget. I really forget. Like some of us in jail, I'm not used. I'm not used to it, but I'll get used to it as time goes by. I have this very bad flu. It's been 2 weeks now. I really don't know what to do. I don't even have a tin opener. This is what I use. I use this method, and I know I'm not the only one. Now you are watching this. This is how you open your tin stuff, guys. Tengani izinto zokuvula amafish. One day you will get hurt. Yes, you will get hurt. Hey, I've had this very bad flu. So when the water starts to boil, you just put your rice. I don't even measure, I use my eyes to measure. Then you put this baby over here. This one, when it comes to eggs, rice, spaghetti, it's the best, guys. Even with cabbage, like the taste in jail. So this is my tin fish, and then I'm adding equal baked beans. Like, I feel like everyone knows this now. You know this recipe. It's either you add equal baked beans or you add tomatoes. So these are the spices that I'm going to use. Guys, when you cook eating fish, I don't know, but I think it goes with a preference. This is crushed garlic. I feel like this already has salt in it, so there's no need to put salt. I don't put salt, and it tastes pretty much the same. So I am done. That was quick, guys. Very quick. This is my go-to meal when I know Kuti doesn't. I'm rushing, maybe because of load shedding, maybe because of time, or maybe I'm just hungry. I want to eat. This is my go-to meal. is my go-to meal. Yeah, if I can go. This is my go-to meal. Let me try to find an angle. These are rights. Guys, please donate a tripod for me. I'm going through a lot. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyagowaisha. Hey. Sendana ama 50 rand lapho. So phuma imali tripod. I will pay you back. Wait. It smells so dicey. And cyberwelly. Uyarasa wena nhlakanipho. Uyarasa. You swine. Nawe bangabe uyangithuka nawe. Ngithi nawe. Bathi ukaMompelo umbuzule kumathosa. Ukapsu mkhumbu. Oskido. Naporis mkhumbu. Athi mina ngisikhumbuzo. Isinamuva liyabuka isikhathi sama. Ngiyabahlanyisa. Oh, ngiyabahlanyisa. Ngiyabakhulisa. Awusivule. Let's go. My favorite song. Ta-da! For sure, someone is watching this and saying, I don't know, was what it Tata was coming as if it's something fancy. This one is the best. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.